app is currently rewarding people, and I just joined this app called Mimi Life now. Okay, I just joined it. I'm currently doing my tax on this app. That is this one making this video. Okay, anything I do is what I share on my platform. If it is okay for you, you can dive in. If it is not okay for you, you can leave it. Okay, I'm sharing it based because I'm doing this particular app. Anything I do is what I bring on my platform to share. Okay, but before I proceed to teach you how this app work, disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by Mimi Life. This video is based on my personal experience. Make sure you do your own research as well before joining this application. I'm just sharing what I do. Make sure you do your own research before downloading any online app. Okay, all you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store and download this particular app. Note, this app is not currently available in all countries. Check if there is availability of this app in your country. Okay, right now I've downloaded the app already. All I need to do now is for me to log in on the app by selecting my email. After my email, they are going to ask me to fill my information such as my name and my date of birth. Right now, you're going to see that the language it bring out, since the Indonesia they bring it now. And if you want to, before you make a mistake by your gender, make sure you click on it to know the kind of avatar that is coming up. You see how I am doing it. As you can, this is for female and this is for men. Okay, so check the avatar. The avatar is going to show you whether if it is or female, in case if your own appear in Indonesian language. Okay, now this is the interface of this application. The interface is very beautiful. Okay, I love the interface. Everything is okay for me, but I haven't withdrawn yet. I just started doing my tax. Okay, so now you can see people that is streaming. I want to check if there is any Africa people here, but I noticed that there is Africa here. Okay, you can see people. You can see this one. Let me just click on it and go to. I'm going to be covering their face. Okay, I don't like showing people face on my video. Yeah, you can see Africa there. Okay, like I said before, check if there is availability of this app in your region. Okay, so now let us go to the interface of the main thing. Now this is my profile. You can see I think this is diamond and this is coin, but I'm going to be changing this particular thing to English language so that I can actually understand better, and you too can actually understand this video more. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the settings up there. You see this, or click on the settings up there. They need to click on the languages. You can see that it's Indonesia is there. You need to pick English so that you can actually understand everything perfectly. Okay, so if you are not in Indonesia, okay, you can see diamond. I'm correct. You can see diamond and point. Okay, point is the one you're going to be withdrawing. That is coins, and this one is diamond. Okay, right now you need to do your face app verification. Click on your face app verification. Do it. Okay, before you proceed on this app, make sure you do your face app verification correctly. When I'm actually doing this particular face app verification, it's almost 1 a.m. when I'm actually doing this particular verification, and it actually went well. It actually went well. As you can see, they have verified my face if I'm a real woman. Okay, so after my identity verification, as you can see, congratulations, your face verification has been passed. Okay, as you can see, face verification passed. Okay, so as you can see that I have been verifying my face, so I don't have anything to bother again. Okay, so now you can see my agent. My agent says that you need to join an agency or you need to become an agency. Okay, anyone you feel like you can do, you can do it. Becoming an agent on this app is very simple as ABCD. Okay, if you want to become agency, it's very simple on this app for you to go about it. You don't need to ask anyone. It's very simple. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to become an agency. As you can see, I've already become an agency on this app. I didn't show that particular part. Okay, so if you go to the app, it's very simple for you to do that. And if you want to join as a host, you can check my pick comments down below. Okay, you're gonna see agent ID there. Okay, I'm an agent on this app. Okay, if you wanna become agency now, after, as you can see, complete account email. I've received it because I use my email to log in on this app. Okay, I receive 100 diamond. Okay, as you can see, if you click the link and invite your friends, and your friends use your link to join, you're gonna be getting a reward on this app. Okay, and what you're going to be getting is actually diamond. Okay, so after that you can use it to send lucky gifts or do any activities on the app and also get paid as well. Okay, right now you're going to see the Newbie Reward. The Newbie Reward is actually 40,000 coin. Okay, that 40,000 coins is actually the one you're going to be withdrawing. Okay, so right now, but the minimum you can withdraw here is actually 182,000 points is what you're going to be withdrawing on this app. Okay, you can see, and for a newbie, you're going to be receiving 40,000 for 2 hours. You can see live broadcast for 60 minutes, 20,000. Live broadcast for 120 minutes, 20,000. That is 40,000 is what you're going to receive as a newbie. Okay, all you need to do is for it to go live. You can see other tasks you can perform as well. So you can see this one: invite female hosts to join, achieve broadcast performance target and unlock, so and all of that. So you can see that if you invite people, you can actually receive points on this app. Okay, you can see invite host to complete the first broadcast. Okay, anyone you invite and the person completes their live broadcast, that is their task, you're going to be getting reward. Okay, on this app you can see user check-in invitation. Okay, so user check-in invitation, enter room and check-in. So a lot of things you can do here. Just check anyone you feel like you can do and do it. Then by then it will help you to earn more reward on this app. Okay, so let's go to the task session and check the one that you can do. Okay, you can see complete your account phone number verification. You're going to be receiving diamond. Participate in a platform first recharge activity. I have not recharged anything. Yeah, this is actually my first time joining it. I have not recharged anything. So that is just it. Okay, so right now you can see my account. Okay, this is actually my account. Now you can see I've received 100 diamond. Okay, so this one is points, that is coins. These points are actually coins. Okay, so right now this is where you are going to be seeing your tax. You can see invite. If you want to invite people, you can actually come here and copy your link and send it to your friend and invite them. Okay, once they do the face verification, you'll be able to earn from it. Okay, you can see point. If you click on point, you're going to bring it to this center. You can see daily tax, life, party, commission. Because I'm an agency, that's just why you're seeing commission. If you're not agency, you're not going to be seeing commission. Okay, okay, is where you're going to be withdrawing. Okay, and here you can withdraw with your USDT. USDT. Yeah, if you're from Africa, I will encourage you to use USD to withdraw. Okay, you know, different country with their own different payment method. You can use your ePay or USDT. Anyone you feel like is okay for you, depending on your country, you can use it as well. Okay, this is how this particular place work. Okay, if you want to go live, you need to set up your live. Okay, after you finish your registration, the first of all you need to go live. You don't need to wait for your agency. No, needs to go live stream. Okay, so you can see set up your profile. If you click on your live, set up your profile, add your profile picture that is okay, very bright. It's not blurry picture you're going to be putting up there. Put a clear photo of you. Okay, then they will accept it, then you go live. Okay, because if you put picture that is not clean, they are gonna be rejecting it. Okay, so you can see this app doesn't even come out today. I've been long it came out, but it's not available in. I've been using this app. I want you to comment on the comment section below and share your experience.